Right, today's a bit interesting. Hello to everybody. Thanks for all your great comments. Thanks for happy birthday. And all the other comments that we got. Right, today we're going into Centro. Now, I went in on my own. Sorry, I went in on my own. Then I went with my wife to try and find out, because I had an idea. Instead of when my other disc player comes for my karaoke, instead of just using it like I did before, where it's only really good for the house, I thought, what if we can buy a carcass, you know, already built karaoke frame, and put my amplifier and my CD player and karaoke player in that. It's got to be cheaper than them selling me the whole thing and using their amplifier and the other stuff. So I went in yesterday and got Mel to ask at one of the karaoke shops, and it was going to work out near enough as much as if I hadn't given them my DVD player and my amplifier to put in. But then I went on my own and found another shop, and they didn't give me a stupid amount of money for labour. So we're going to go in and see if we can get a proper karaoke, because
It's cheaper.
yeah, her mum's always renting karaokes, isn't she? And the karaoke price is between 500 and 700 depending on how new the karaoke is. If it's a new karaoke, all new songs and different stuff, it's going to be 700 pesos rent, at least in Naga anyway. So we're going to get a pajak because it's very hot. So my sister-in-law's doing hello hello, and this stall next to her, they were doing hello hello, but nobody had gone by it once the sister started selling it, because hers is yummy and theirs aren't. You can see I won't have it because it's full of sugar, and see the brown sugar. So not only has it loads of sugar in, but then my sister adds brown sugar as well. And then this milk, she fills it with that milk. I mean, my God. Crazy.
They also have electric, what's it called?
Electric ice crusher. Yeah, see?
She's choosy.
She's modernising, she's going up in the world. There it is, look. But she used to spend ages crushing the ice.
Yeah,
now she just,
it's easy.
yeah, she just puts it in there and it's ready to go, look.
Quick.
Yeah, nice and smooth.
Just few minutes.
Yeah, few minutes, seconds.
It's a popular here.
Mm.
Business here when it's summer.
Yeah.
There's a lot. There's only summer.
And she's normally not here long, and then she's got no stock left, has she? All gets sold. It's only
After lunch.
yeah, after lunch she just packs up and she's back in the shop then. So look at it. Look at all the milk she puts on it as well.
Yeah, because some of people selling like that.
The sweeter the better.
They put a little bit of milk, that's why it's not good.
Mm.
But if you put a lot of milk, it's nice.
Mm.
It costs 10 pesos, guys. Can you get this in US or UK?
For 10 pesos,
Yeah?
no, it'd be a lot more than
Just
that.
here in
It'd
the
probably
Philippines,
be about
10 pesos.
70 pence or 100 a pound. So we'll see you in Centro, guys. I'll tell you a little problem I've come across with Mel. It's alright sending Mel for, say, underwear for you or clothes or something like that, but if you need her to go in so the price doesn't go up, as it has done with this karaoke hunt for the cheapest way of getting this karaoke put together. You send Mel in and she doesn't really understand what you were asking her in the first place, and if she doesn't really understand
Excuse me, I understand, but you did not believe for what I'm saying.
well, no, because I'm not sure that you actually made him understand.
No, I asked him about that, and then he said it's 14,000, and then when you show it up to them, it's cost 18.
Yeah, it went up another 4,000 when they saw me. I mean, the actual karaoke itself were just the speakers without the amplifier in or the DVD player is 7,500 pesos. But to fit our own CD player and amplifier, it went from 7,500 to buy that to 18,000. How can they justify that in labour and a few wires they might have to put to it? You just can't justify that. So I would stick my neck out and say I got a massive foreigner price. Huh?
Just wait me, Hamlet.
Yeah, I'll wait for you. So there's another karaoke place here we've been to once to see if we could get the other one repaired, and he says no, it's the board, and by the time you've got the board and we fit it, you might as well have bought a new one, which we have. I've gone and bought the same one. If it goes again, then I guess I'll have to buy a different make, have a look round and see if there's a more reliable make. So the shop that quoted me 2,500 over this way where I'm pointing, so we'll go there last, and I'll get her to make sure that once he's put my amplifier and CD player in, that it's going to be up and running and I'm going to see it working, because I've just got a feeling he's going to say no, you've got to pay extra for this and extra for that, and then the 10,000 goes into 15, 16, 17,000. So we'll just have a walk near and have a look and see. Say hello. Say hello. Hello, good boy. And have a look and see what this place does. I was just laughing, so they've said something stupid, look.
Accidentally. She married to a foreigner also.
Alright.
I had 2 kids.
Huh?
Yeah, same age.
Cool.
Same age for our kids.
Oh,
Yeah.
very good. So there you go, guys. I don't know if it's anything to do with my website or whatever, but there seems to be a lot of foreigners coming here now. And right, and I'm not joking, right? There's a foreigner about to come here, and he contacted me a week or 2 ago, and it's gone through from him taking his time to come in here, meeting this girl once and probably marrying her on the second visit. I mean, it's just crazy, guys. It's just crazy. You know, this is a different culture, and you're going to get yourself in a world of pain if you pick the wrong girl. And the family have encouraged her to get a foreigner because of money and stuff. The family's going to pressure her to ask you for things, and you're not going to be able to say no in a lot of cases, or in most cases. So anyway, I've talked about the subject enough, but please be careful, guys. I'd love to know what they're talking about. But this is what happens when we get in groups. Mel forgets to explain what they're talking about.
We're talking about because her is a friend on my Facebook. And then she said, "Hey, you can use this. You can use this." And then she said, "Okay." 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 And
All
We
right.
did not meet. We just talking just on the only messenger, but we did not meet anymore in real. But before we have planning to meet each other, but we still we both same busy, and then accidentally we meet
Bump
because
into.
she saw you, and that's what I noticed her that she's looking around because if I'm here, that's why I'm talking about.
All right. So anyway, let's get back
And
to
then you
karaoke.
talking about, she told me about, I thought it's a married na, but to the foreigner, but it's not. They have 2 kids for the foreigner, and then now she said to me that her partner leave it na, she leave it,
The partner what?
leave,
The guy who's with her left.
yeah.
He's not with her anymore. All right.
Because that partner have more chicks,
Oh, lovely. Well, works both ways, and guys, doesn't it?
and then she said to me that she will like a file because her partner he give support for the kids but not enough
Yeah.
because she have 2 kids, girl and boy,
Right.
same age of Sophia and Matthew.
Oh, it's a real shame. So anyway, back to karaoke, babe.
Okay, they have no the box
Just the boxes. So,
just to fix them.
yeah, I've noticed that they've had karaoke's delivered and they're fully put together.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping